Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today I wanted to do a tattoo practice on fake skin. It's been quite a while since I've practiced anything on fake skin. And I want to work on my color application and color blends. So for this video, I am using dynamic black ink. I am using green from Fusion, red from Xtreme ink, and also another shade of green from World Famous. The machine I am using is the Inkin Rampage with a 4.0mm stroke. I have a video reviewing the machine. I quite like it. I haven't used it that much on real skin because I do have 3 other machines that I currently use at the shop, but it's a really great machine and I'll definitely try to use it more. So for this color practice, I decided to do one of my illustrations that I did from my sketchbook. It's a chicken illustration, and yeah, I wanted to really focus on my color packing, which is something I still struggle with sometimes in my tattooing. I usually prefer using liners, and magnums are quite difficult for me to use still sometimes, but I decided that I need more practice with it and also try to work on color blends, which I think is one of the most difficult things you can do as a tattoo artist, and if you can pull that off, you can basically pull off any tattoo. The fake skin I am using in this video is from Real Skins. I've been using this throughout my apprenticeship and I highly recommend it if you're just starting out tattooing. And yeah, I did want to talk a bit about struggles after 2 years of being a tattoo artist. This year I will have 2 years of being a full-time tattoo artist, and let me just tell you that being a tattoo artist is one of those jobs where you kind of feel like you have it figured out, and then you have a tattoo and you realize you still have so much shit to figure out still. There's always something new to learn in this field, and there are so many variables when doing a tattoo, from the client's skin, from the way you are feeling, from the tattoo design, and just the techniques you are trying to use. Sometimes they just don't work out the way you want them to, and sometimes the healing of the tattoo is not exactly how you envision it. And I just want to say that for young artists out there, there will be times when you struggle a lot with self-doubt and stuff like that. It's important to keep going and to be in the mindset that you always have something to learn, and just think of those setbacks as lessons instead of just drowning yourself in misery, because I used to do that. I used to be so harsh on myself whenever I felt a tattoo didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, or I don't know, the healing of the tattoo wasn't 100% perfect. But these things take time, and even 2 years into this, I feel like I'm still a beginner. So that's why I still do practices on fake skin. It's just to improve on techniques where I feel I need more practice and I feel I need to learn more. And it's much better to do them on fake skin than trying to experiment on client skin. So as I said, I still struggle with color packing and color blends. I don't know, man. Sometimes it works out great and sometimes it just doesn't. And it does have a lot to do with the client skin and the pigments you are using. For example, I find that colors from Fusion work the best, but unfortunately we are not able to use them here in Europe because of the REACH regulation. I'm sure you are aware of it if you are tattooing in Europe. And I feel that some of the inks don't have such concentrated pigments in them, and they sometimes heal really bad. And I'm not blaming the ink by any means, but I just feel that some inks are much better than others. So World Famous is one of the brands that I really like and we are able to use. I've tried colors from Dynamic, but I didn't really like them that much. There are some shades from Dynamic which work really well, but very few. I've also tried Xtreme ink, which some of the colors are nice. But my point is, you have to keep experimenting in this field and just keep going. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short, sweet video, and I just wanted to come here and say hi to you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.